if you're interested in just waiting to come on LBC in the last half an hour, I posted on my Twitter feed 3 separate videos that look to be evidence of mail of tampering with the ballots at the polling stations. It's Seb Gorka, Sebgorka. They are flooding in right now. We have thousands of pieces of evidence that are being sent into the campaign headquarters. In each of these specific videos, you see a poll worker in the middle of a polling station filling out multiple ballots, not helping somebody else or verifying if that is about, but actually filling out the ballot, putting it aside, and then filling out the next one. Now, all of these have to be verified. We're only 2.5 days after the election, but this is very, very disturbing potential evidence, Nick.
But what's intriguing is we're down to the last 5 states, I think it is. So that means none of this went on in dozens of other states, or the president's not worried about dozens of other states. What's the situation there, Dr. Gorka?
Well, we have in our republic a very specific system. We don't have first past the post, and we don't have a proportional representation. We have the electoral college, which means because of the system of electoral voters, the college of electors, there are key battleground states. So at the end of every election, it comes down to the wire, and it's really 4 or 5 states like Florida and Pennsylvania that are the key states you have to win. So we are concerned with those, and especially with this fact, Nick, on the night of the election, at 9:30 our time, p.m., after Florida, a massive state with lots of mail-in ballots, declared the results for the president, 4 battleground states, including Pennsylvania, said, sorry, we're going to close down for the night. We're not going to count any more votes. We're going to go back to bed, get our cup of Horlicks, and we'll get back to you tomorrow. Hang on a second. This is America. This is the country that put men on the moon. Why are key battleground states, 4 of them, Nick, that were trending towards the president? Every single one of them had the president leading Joe Biden, and they stopped the counting. That is incredibly suspicious, and we have to get to the bottom of it.
Final question. You and I have talked about US politics for a number of years, Sebastian. Where do you see this ending up? Where and when?
Well, we've got a deadline. We've got December 8th, where the Electoral College electors do the actual voting for the president. So we've got a very clear deadline there. I expect this to go to the courts. We had a court mandate today to allow our observers into the polling stations in Pennsylvania. The local marshal actually blocked the judge's order and didn't let us in there to watch the counting. So we're not going to give up. The president is a fighter. So this will be a battle royale in the courts for the weeks to come.